Hello everyone, Kate here at Chefclub. I have a great recipe for you today that's going to fulfill all of those sweet cravings. It's a 1-star recipe, and by no means is it a 1-star review. It just means that your ingredient list will not break the bank. Many of these ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's start. We have our butter, just a couple tablespoons of butter. We have about a cup of milk, a white chocolate bar, some marshmallows, Rice Krispies cereal, Oreo O's cereal, and everyone's favorite, Oreos. Today I'm using double stuff. You can use your favorite variety. All of these ingredients combined, we're going to create a cereal bowl. That is a bowl out of cereal. And we're gonna fill it with milk, of course. And as a kid, what was your favorite way to drink milk? Through a straw. So I'm gonna teach you how to create an edible cereal straw to drink the milk right out of your cereal bowl. Let's get started. That's done. We'll grab our marshmallows for our next step. Let's go. Our griddle is nice and hot, and we're gonna place our butter. We're gonna melt that on our griddle. We're gonna come back with our marshmallows. And we're just gonna start working those around. You want your marshmallows to melt, but you don't want them to burn, so we're just gonna move them around a lot. Now we're gonna come back with our Oreos. While our marshmallows are still melting, I'm gonna place some Oreos. And we're gonna come in and we're just gonna break those into our marshmallows. And we're just going to continue folding this together. And you can't have Rice Krispie treats without Rice Krispies. So now we're going to add in our Rice Krispie cereal. And we're just going to fold that in. Now we want to spread it out. We want to get it into a nice square shape. We're just going to flatten this out, and we're going to get a nice rectangle shape. And I'm going to come back, and we're just going to cut this into 3 portions. Scoop that up. And we'll bring it over here, and we'll place it into the Oreo tray. We're just going to reuse the Oreo tray from the packaging. Place this one right next to it. And our third one. Now we're just going to come back with our hands, and we're just going to start molding this into right in. It's okay, it's not perfect. We're going to come back with our little rolls of aluminum foil, and we're just going to press this into the center. Add my Oreo O's. We're going to pour a nice bowl of cereal. We're going to take our Oreo O's, and we're going to come place them onto our bamboo skewers. Place our little marshmallow. We'll go back to our first one. We're going to take it off of the Oreo. And we come here to our white chocolate, and we're going to just roll that in the white chocolate. Want to get it coated on all sides. We're going to bring it over to our Oreo crumble here. We're just going to slowly roll it. We're going to press it down into our crumbs. We can cover all the sides. Place that here. We have our two other ones. And I'll take these with me. Bring these here. Now we're going to come back to our cereal milk, and I just have my spatula here, and we're just going to strain our milk. And we're going to come over to our Rice Krispie treats, and we're just going to fill them with our cereal milk. Okay, now we'll be back with our Oreo straws. Place those on there. And let's taste this. You can find all the details of this recipe on chefclub.tv.